The Skin Age Index really sets us apart. It's a breakthrough in skincare clinical research. It was developed by a world-class clinical research laboratory as a way to measure the age of your skin, simply put, based on the presence of 10 key signs of aging. And this really got us excited because, true to Shaklee, we wanted a very scientific and objective way to measure whether youth could shift women's skin to a younger age. In a clinical study, we put the Skin Age Index to the test. We had women come into the study, we measured their skin age index before using youth. They used our advanced anti-aging regimen for 12 weeks, and we measured their skin age index after using youth. The results were amazing. After 4 weeks, 100% of women had measurably younger looking skin, as measured by the Skin Age Index. And with continued use, 2/3 of women actually shifted their skin age into a younger decade. Simply put, clinical results without compromise means that we've designed our youth line to deliver visible skin benefits without relying on so many of the questionable chemicals and ingredients you find in so many skincare products on the market today. This ensures that you can wear those products every day without ever questioning their safety. Our youth line is free of over 2,500 questionable ingredients. The products are gluten-free, cruelty-free, and 100% vegan. And we've put rigorous safety studies behind every product in the Youth Advanced Anti-Aging Regimen. Each product is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, suitable for sensitive skin, and ophthalmologist tested. So with 8 years of scientific research and 8 patents and patents pending, Youth is a revolutionary skincare line that's designed to help you look younger longer too.